The friendship between Sierra Leone and China over the past few decades has delivered tangible results across multiple areas. This is according to Sierra Leonean Minister of Information and Civic Education, Chernor in a recent exclusive interview with Xinhua.
China is undoubtedly one of Sierra Leone's most important relationships, and it's manifested itself in very meaningful areas.
According to Ba, the most potent part of the relationship is human capital exchange, which has benefited both countries and will continue to flourish. The minister also thanked China for assisting Sierra Leone's infrastructure needs.
It's not theory, we can see it. We see the buildings, we see the bridges, we'll see the National Stadium. We see the investments that the People's Republic of China has made into our lives, and we've seen how those investments have improved the lives of our people and improved the things that we see in our country. So this is something that we're grateful for. This is a friendship, as I said, that we value, and it's one that we want to continue to cultivate and expand.
Describing China as a friend in need, Ba said China had always been among the countries that provided the fastest medical assistance when Sierra Leone was confronted with emergencies such as Ebola and COVID-19.
Whenever we've had emergencies in this country, whether it's Ebola, COVID, the People's Republic of China has always been among the first to turn up to support us with vaccines, with healthcare personnel, with equipment, to be able to help us to deliver for our people. So we're very proud of that friendship, and we're proud of where it's continued to go.
Ba said that under the leadership of President Julius Maada Bio, Sierra Leone has been mainly focused on developing areas such as food security, youth development, technology, and infrastructure.
We want to transform this country. We want to industrialize this country. We want to transform our infrastructure. We want to make sure that this country has the right technologies. And we see China as a major partner that will help us to achieve those dreams.